Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video, I answer the question, if there's an error in my injury case file, should I correct it, right? So, is it a big deal? If there's an error in there, does it mean I'll lose my case, all right? So, it depends. I talked to a guy who initially messaged me on under one of my YouTube videos, and then I told him, look, it's a complicated question, call me. So he called me. Basically, what happens is the court has the wrong date of injury in his file. Now, that could be a problem. It could be, depending on the date that you filed it. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know what a statute of limitations is. A statute of limitations is basically a deadline by which you have to file a case. So if there's an incorrect date in the court computer, it might be that there's an incorrect date in the actual paperwork that your attorney filed or that you filed. Now that could be a problem, because if you state the date of accident earlier than it really was, at some point somebody might bring a motion to dismiss your case because it's past your filing deadline. So, different kinds of cases have different filing deadlines. In Illinois, most injury cases, you've got 2 years from the date of your accident to file a case. In workers' comp, you usually have 3 years, but there are other deadlines. And what your deadline is depends on the type of the case and who you're suing and where the accident happened. So, I always tell people, make sure you consult with an attorney who can collect the information they need and give you a good idea of what your deadline is. So, if that's not an issue, the other thing to remember is, law and injury claim files and the courthouse, it is a very document and detail driven business, right? So there are errors, and then there are errors. Like a date might not be a big error. The wrong social security number because somebody switched a couple of numbers might not be a big deal. It's the spelling of your doctor's name, not a big deal, right? But the date and time that something happened, the exact location it happened, an accurate list of your medical providers and the amounts that they charged, all of those sorts of things are things that will have an impact on whether you can prove your case, and if you can prove your case, how much money you'll end up with, right? So there are some details that honestly will probably never be a problem in your case. But if it is something, really only an attorney who is handling your case and has experience is going to know whether a factual error somewhere in your claim file is going to cause a problem for you. An attorney can also fix it for you relatively easily. And guard against it. Lawyers are usually very careful about those sorts of things for these very reasons. So if you have a case and you know that there's some information that is inaccurate, definitely consider speaking with an attorney, because the attorney will tell you whether it's a big deal or whether it could be a big deal. And they can fix it for you if it's fixable, right? So that's... those are my thoughts on that matter. Luckily, in this guy's case, it wasn't a big deal. I know, sort of like a left field, off the wall kind of question, but I hope that information helps you. If I can answer your question, or you have any problems, or you have an injury case and you need representation, please do not hesitate to give me a call at 312-500-4500. That's 312-500-4500, as I wait to make my right turn. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer, or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comment section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire. So I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.